Robbie Lane. And the disciples? Are these the disciples? Yes? Thank you. Those of you who are listeners to AM 740, Robbie is one of our great DJs and one of the great presences in old-fashioned rock and roll.
Thank you, Moses.
And may I say that if you feel like dancing, moving around, get out in the aisles or stand up in your seats, whatever you want to do. It's up to you. Say when I get the blues, I get me a rocking chair. Yeah, when I get the blues, I get me a rocking chair. Yeah, blues overtaking, gonna rock right away from here. Yeah, when I get lonesome, I get on your telephone. Say when I get lonesome, I get on the telephone. I'm gonna call my baby, tell her I'm on my way back home. I said flip, flop, fly, don't care if I die. Flip, flop, fly, I don't care if I die. Don't ever leave me, don't ever say goodbye. Give me one more kiss, hold it a long, long time. Give me one more kiss, hold it a long, long time. Yeah, hold that kiss till it goes through my head like wine. Yeah, I got my baby flashing a new gold tooth. Yeah, I got my baby flashing a new gold tooth. And she's so small, she could bumble in a payphone booth. I said, flip, flop, fly, don't care if I die. Flip, flop, fly, I don't care if I die. Don't ever leave me, don't ever say goodbye. Bullfrog sitting down a hollow stump. Like a busy bullfrog sitting down a hollow stump. I got so many women I don't know which way to jump up. Said flip, flop, fly, don't care if I die. Flip, flop, flying. I don't care if I die. Don't ever leave me, don't ever say goodbye. Said flip, flop, flying. Don't care if I die. Flip, flop, flying. I don't care if I die. Don't ever leave me, don't ever say goodbye. Thank you very much, and I like the dancing. You had two women you were dancing with. Things have worked out well for you. We have some dancers on stage tonight. I'd like you to welcome them right now. The Bee's Knees, ladies and gentlemen. Here they come. They're going to do things that may be illegal in some provinces. This song is sometimes talked about as the first rock and roll song. It really isn't, but it's known as that. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on, join me, huh? We'll have some fun till the clock strikes 1. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the brown daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 2, 3 and 4, we'll be there, baby, once more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the bright daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 5, 6, and 7, we'll be there in 7th heaven. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the bright daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. Hey, Stephen. When the clock strikes 5, 6, and 7, we'll be there in 7th heaven. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the bright daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. Here go the horns, baby. One, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on, join me, honey. We'll have fun till the clock strikes 1. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the bright daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. How about those dancers? I wrote down their names because I want to introduce them individually. Just wave when I introduce you. Arthur, give him a wave. He's the one with the little bowler hat. Heather, James, and Jolene. There are Bee's Knees dancers, and we're not finished yet. We've got a guy that's going to just astound you. He can do so much. Would you please welcome to the stage Yo-Yo Joe, ladies and gentlemen. Here he comes. He's been practicing backstage and never got one wrong, so we're going to just watch what he can do. Now, this is Ideas Having Sex. So we tried to think of a song that was sort of compatible with that idea, and we chose this song called Hold On, I'm Coming. Don't you ever be sad, lean on me when times are bad. your lover. Sing it, son. No need to worry, 'cause I'm here. Oh, no need to suffer, baby, 'cause I'm here. Oh, hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. Now hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. Listen, listen. Just reach out to me for satisfaction, yeah, yeah. Now don't you ever be sad or lean on me when times are bad. Hands cold and you walk down in a river of trouble, baby, and I'm bound to drown. Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. Now hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. Got to, hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. You look out, look out. Thank you very much. The Bees Knees Dancers, Yo-Yo Joe. And if you don't mind, I'd like to introduce everybody in the band because they deserve it. Our horn section, first of all, it's his birthday today. Edward Zankowski on tenor sax. Troy the Boy Dowding on trumpet and flugelhorn. Paul Cousset on baritone sax. Behind the horn section on keyboards and vocals, Brian Fraser. Back there on drums and several illicit drugs is Joe Regan. Our bass player, Dennis Pinhorn. Our lead guitar player, Steve Shelsky. And finally, my cousin on harmonica and vocals, Mr. Glenn Hill. I love this boy. We are Robbie Lane and the Disciples. Thank you, Moses Dimer, for having us. Hope it was a great IdeaCity for you, because it was for us while we were here. Good night. Thank you.